All right. So today we're talking about volumes of pyramids and cones. So, it's basically the same process as finding the volume of prisms and cylinders, but with one extra little step. So to find the volume of a pyramid, you're going to do the area of the base times the height of the pyramid divided by 3. So again, B is again the area of the base. H is the height of the pyramid. So we're using the actual height, not the slate height. Right, and then divide by 3. All right, so let's see if I can find an example here very quickly. In the regular height. Let's just do that. All right, so here's a pyramid. So if you look on page 429, example 1, right, it says find the volume of the 321-foot tall Memphis pyramid. So that means the height, so going down into the middle. Right, so that is 321. That's the height of our pyramid. Which has a square base with sides measuring 591 feet. So each of those sides are 591. So if the base is a square, how do we find that? How do you find the area of a square? S squared, right? So in this case, that would be 591 squared, right? So that's going to be a fairly large number.
Wait, what is that number? It just doesn't look like a pyramid. What is the number pointing to the...
321. What do you mean it doesn't look like a pyramid?
My drawing.
Oh, I was like... Okay. So, 591 squared gives us 349,281. Alright, so now we have to take that and multiply it by our height. So multiply that by 321, and then we'll divide that by 3 to find our volume. So times 321 divided by 3, still a very large number. So our final answer is 37373067. So really, it's the exact same as finding the volume of a prism, except we just have to divide by 3. That's it. So, no other steps, still no lateral anything. We're just area of the base, height of the pyramid, divide by 3. So, volume is still short, sweet, and to the point. We're going to talk about cones. And then, that is it.
Is there a 1 with the 6, or is it just a 6?
It's a 6 and then a 7 at the end.
Oh.
Yeah, sorry.
Where do you see a 6?
Here.
At the top, the yellow.
This. About volumes of cones. So, volume of a cone is pi r squared times the height of the cone, again, divided by 3. So, just like finding the volume of a cylinder, except we're dividing by 3. Right, so again, R is our radius. H is the height of the cone. And that's all you need. Okay? I'm going to skip the example of the cone because I really don't feel like we need it. All right, so for homework, you guys are going to do page 431, 2 through 7.
Are they really, really long?
No. And 19 and 20, those look fun.